Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the toll plazas on Highway 2000. Now we are on Highway 2000 East-West leg, also known as the PJ Patterson Highway. Now it was recently announced that you can now use your debit card and credit card to pay the toll at the toll plazas that Jamaica Highway operates. Those plazas are the one for Portmore, Spanish Town, Vineyards, and Maypen. And if they ever sort out the one at Tollgate, it will apply there also. So what they're doing is using the handheld or the mobile machines, basically the credit card machines, and they're now using them at the toll plaza to pay the toll. So this is an excellent move because on a few occasions people have gone to the toll plaza and then realized you don't have cash. And they're also coming with a prepaid toll option for if you use a tag. The electronic payment, the tag where you just drive right through, they're going to have a prepaid tag option as well. So very good news, it's progress. But I'm wondering, why did it take so long? I mean, the machines were available. They're widely used throughout Jamaica. You can connect wirelessly to the internet. But nonetheless, they are using them, and it should definitely make a difference. It's another payment option, basically. I'm not sure what kind of fee they're going to charge, but because some of the tolls are like $190, some are $350, some are $220, and I think these limits are, the toll amounts are below some of the limits because you have to pay a fee to use the machine. So if anybody has used the machines already at the toll plaza, because they are up and running, all the toll plazas have them now, and it's operational, let us know. Leave your comments in the section below and let us know what if they charge a fee. Alright guys, we are on Highway 2000 heading from Kingston towards the Vineyards Toll Plaza, where we will pay the toll via the new electronic means so we can see what's going on. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour, have a good day, and leave your comments in the section below. And I'm curious, for people who live outside of Jamaica, what payment options do you have when you go to the toll plaza? Just for comparison, how does it work? Alright guys, have a good day.